So, hi, I'm Jamie, the production manager from um, production department. And ang naging role ko is ako yung nag-manage ng or nag-handle ng all ng paperworks and financing as well as the sponsorships.
Hi, I'm Faith. I'm the creative director and yung naging role ko for Pintagak 2026 is yung pag-oversee ng buong creative aspects ng event.
Hi, I'm Denise po from production department and ang overall role ko po is yung tagak is the event head.
Hi po, ako si Yancy. I'm the president of QTC and ang naging role ko mostly sa Pintagak is yung pag-manage ng booth, pati yung pag-operate ng visuals presentation.
Hi, I'm Wilson, the stage manager from the stage department. And naging overall role ko during the Pintagak was ako yung nag-assign ng mga tao for the booths and for the award winners.
Hi, my name is Lorleen Joy D. Obedan, and you can call me Lee. I'm the moderator of UTPC. I was the overall person in charge from creating letter scheduling and inviting judges during the Pintagak 2026.
Nag-start yung Pintagak na nag-meeting kami para mag-layout ng mga parang baseline plans, for example, yung dates, tsaka yung mga venues na pwede namin kunin.
Okay, so sa creatives department, nagsimula kami with the team. Then, yung team na yun, of course, kailangan ma-approve siya ng moderators and ng mga admins namin. And then, once na ma-finalize na namin yung team, dun kami nagsistart magbuo ng idea kung ano ba yung kailangan makita sa magiging paintings ng mga participants for Pintagak. Doon din sa team na yon iikot kung ano yung makikita sa Pintagak visually, kung paano siya mape-present.
When it comes to production, we spent weeks, actually months, in preparing everything from venue letter, budget request, and yung sponsorship na medyo critical kasi it needs a month talaga. As well as communication with host and judges ng event natin, and then yung sa mga participants, nakipag-coordinate kami para yung execution pag nandun na sila sa venue or event natin or on-prod na.
Yung preparations namin, like 2 weeks before the event, kasi doon nagiging sure yung mga tao sa availability nila. Pag sa stage kasi, sa mismong event or ongoing na yung mismong event kami yung nag-work.
Ako yung nag-oversee if tapos na ba gawin yung parts ng event na to, like with the papers, with the sponsors, lahat ng mga gagamitin sa event.
So initially, syempre, prepare natin yung budget, which is annually prepared naman. So meron yan sa AIP and PPM. Tinag natin, dinumble-check natin yung prices for the judges and prices for the contestants. And once it's confirmed na approved siya, we scheduled the event, reservation of the venues, and then invited guests and judges, I mean. Guests and judges kasi kasama yung MANCOM, head ng MCAO, and the mayor, of course. For the Pintagak, we also posted the invitation to participants, and then we conducted orientation, informed them about the do's and don'ts during the opening and orientation. So lahat talaga na nitty-gritty ng preparation.
Challenge! Siguro from production, yung lack of time din. Nung time kasi na yun is time siya ng midterms namin. Actually, ng all ng colleges. Sa mga event na yun, kumbaga nahati yung mga tao sa UTPs kasi both kailangan ng manpower. So, kumbaga, binabalance namin siya dun sa dalawang event na yun.
Ayun din yung one of the reasons kung bakit ang hirap hulihin ang availability ng mga tao. Sobrang limited ng pwedeng maibigay ng mga tao for the events and for preparations ng Pintagak.
Ayun, pag event head ka nga, every time na magkakaroon ng lapses, sa'yo talaga yung bagsak. Hindi lang mental toll and emotional toll ng pagiging event head. Hindi siya mapapatatag ka talaga kasi parang kailangan mo harapin to ngayon. Mamaya, pwede ka nang bumagsak. Pero ngayon, tatag muna tayo. Ganon.
So, pinaka naging challenge, siguro yung budget preparation. Kasi, before we don't have any problems with budget. Kasi we just itemize the request and then process it. And then, we can go and order the needs of the preparation for the Pintaga. Right now, very limited lang yung request natin. And we were not really prepared to be extravagant with tokens that we will be giving the judges. We were not expecting to get like high-profile judges kasi hindi naman natin sure kung pupuntahan nila yung event natin. But luckily, umayag sila. And that became a challenge for us kasi hindi tayo prepared with the budget.
Ayun. Yun nga yung sinabi ko na good thing kasi nandun si Venice kasi siya yung naging kumbaga nasa taas namin kasi siya yung nagmamanage ng lahat ng magiging work sa Pintaga. Kumbaga, hinihelp namin siya and hinihelp niya rin tayo kasi dun sa pagmamanage namin ng each department namin, kumbaga hindi niya na kailangan mag-micromanage but ino-orchestrate niya na lang yung kung ano yung mangyayari sa pre-prod hanggang on-prod as well as the post-prod talaga.
Basta since last year kasi, is kami na rin yung nag-handle ng events talaga. So, pag ganun, parang alam na rin namin kung ano yung sisimulan namin, hindi na namin kailangan to point out sa isa't isa yung, ito, yung venue, simulan mo na. Or yung roles, gawin mo na. Ganito yung iset mo. Like, parang kabisado. Ganun na yung system namin na alam na namin kung ano yung take lead namin. Then dumagdag na lang talaga si Venice na merong nandun pa sa para i-manage naman kami.
Siguro nakatulong din na since nabanggit nga kanina na pang ilang event na rin natin to na kami yung heads and then ayun, nakasama yung mga members din namin. So, parang mas kilala na rin namin yung isa't isa. So, ano yung mga kayang gawin ng mga members namin, saan sila pinaka parang nag-excel. So, parang mas familiar na kami kung paano kami mas effective na makakapag-work together.
Yung tawanan siguro, like despite na sobrang stressful nung ginagawa namin, is nagagawa pa rin magtawanan dito sa office na nagiging bond siya. Tapos yung, syempre kung may masaya, meron ring iyakan na depende na lang kung napapakita mo siya sa iba or within yourself lang. Siguro, yun yung mga key points talaga na hindi nakikita talaga ng audience kasi pangat naman kung papakita namin yung gano'n.
Siguro yung sleepless nights. How much we struggle kung paano natin siya gagawin successful yung event na yun. Kasi ang dami nating niris na akals pero ayun, at the end of the day, pinipili na pa rin talaga natin unahin yung akals kasi ayun, before we became a student board, we're student first.
Kahit ganito yung sinasabi namin na nag-group kami dito, ganyan, ba yung experience nila dun sa mismong event. Parang compliment na sa amin na sinabi sa amin ni Ma'am na ayon sa mga judges na nagustuhan daw nila yung event. So, ayun, plus din yun.
I realize na perfection is a myth, but preparation is a savior. Kasi no matter how much you prepare that event, there something will go sideways talaga. And kumbaga, the success of Pintaga isn't because everything went successfully, but it is because we were resilient enough to fill that cracks sa mga plans namin so that the audience is hindi nila makikita yung mga naging problem doon.
May ako na get comfortable being uncomfortable. One of the kasi na kahit na sobrang prepared na namin, na napagdaanan na namin, hindi pa rin talaga kailangan na komportable ka lang, yung easy ka na lang na ano. Kailangan may sense of struggle ka pa rin. Kailangan mo pa rin isipin na may masamang mangyayari. Kasi dahil doon, nagiging resilient tayo. Mas na-prepare natin yung mga bagay na dapat hindi mangyari. Doon natin siya iiwasan. As a DRM student kasi, ano, joke lang.
Kaya
Ayun.
kaya minsan parang napaka-uncomfortable, parang sabihin ko, parang ang relax ko ngayon. Dapat may ginagawa ako eh.
Mas nakakatakot isipin
Ganun
ang relax
lagi
ka.
siya. Like, pag mag-e-event na, sabi mo, bakit parang walang problemang ano? Tapos bigla ka na lang, boom! On the day, may problema ka bigla. Like, ayun yung kailangan na ano, na no matter how prepared you are, may something will go wrong. Kahit na ang samang mindset nun, nakakatulong siya to be prepared and alam mo yung gagawin mo.
Kumbaga dapat may prepared plan B ka. And everything, and every decisions.
Plan A to Z.
Yes.
Kung walang Z, i-number mo na.
AA.
Plan 1, 2, 3.
AA, A, B, E, C.
Oo.
Excel sheet.
This Pintagak, parang na-realize ko lang na progress with things isn't linear. Alam mo yun. Kasi ayun nga, since nakapag-Pintagak na rin kami before yung mga na-encounter namin na problems, this Pintagak, masusolusyon na namin siya, pero hindi lahat yun masusolusyonan mo. And may mga babalik. So,
Ayun, isa din sa natutunan siguro namin is kung gaano ka-importante yung teamwork. Kung baga siya, we're all in this together talaga. Wow!
Yes. May kanta din siya.
Hindi ka naman nag-work sa isang event na ikaw lang talaga. You should know how to trust your other members and yung mga ka-work mo during event.
Significance ng Pintagak. Ano kasi siya sa amin eh. Pintagak is worth remembering.
Wow!
Ano siya, worthy to be a lesson, not just in our org, but to ourselves also.
Yung significance niya siguro, since under na tayo ng culture and the arts, nakakapagbigay ng statement yung Pintagak for students to express themselves.
Tama yung sinabi ni Wilson na itong Pintagak is nakakapagbigay ng platform for students to express their creativity. Kasi sumali sila ng Pintagak kasi gusto nila ulit ma-experience yung pag-paint. Kahit na wala sila sa art-related na course or na program. Yung pagsali nila dito is parang ine-enjoy lang din nila yung moment na nakakapag-create sila ng artworks.
for me, merong hino-hold yung Pintagak na lagi namin siyang gino-joke na ay Pintagak na magkaka-canon event na kami. Ganon. So, parang yun lang yung event namin na nag-iisip kami ng mga
Pintagak
canon
kasi
events.
ano siya, parang first event kasi siya ng UTPC. So, very important sa, talaga siya sa atin. Kumbaga, baby natin yung Pintagak.
Tsaka nung nag-start kami namin, term namin, Pintagak din yung first event
First
namin. Grabe, nag-book ends kami, guys.
Pintagak is canon event.
Yun. Maraming nangyayari for Pintagak, so talaga siya for us, parang nagiging challenge siya kung in terms of working together, yung relationship namin sa isa't isa.
Sa akin, ang significance talaga ng Pintagak is not only to bring out the passion, to bring out, para magkaroon ng bond. Kasi, diba, when you say Pintagak, iba't ibang courses talaga yung pupunta para magpinta. Through that, syempre, nagkakakilandan yung iba. And then yung iba nagkakaroon pa ng unexpected friendships. Ganun. It's a nice way to bond para sa iba't ibang courses. Lalo na nandito tayo sa UMAC, wherein halo-halo talaga. Dito mo rin talaga makikita na hindi lang Ayad ang may hawak ng mga artistic students.
Yes.
May iba't iba din sa ibang courses.
We are celebrating the art in the university and hopefully mas mag-improve pa yung Pintagak in the future. Mas dumami yung participants and mas maging malaki ang impact niya hindi lang sa university, hindi lang sa city kundi sa ating bansa. Ma-recognize siya as one competition na pwede na rin nating i-offer sa other schools.
We'd like to thank UTPC and of course, the stage, the creatives, the prod department, sa stress na, sa binigay nilang time for this event, and also to the judges na nakapunta to this event. Thank you for giving us your time and of course your expertise. And then of course to the participants, thank you so much. And then kay Lamampi, yes. And then finally to our sponsors, Boysen and National Bookstore.
Yeah.
Yes! Thank you so much. Ayan.
So, for Pentagak 2026, congratulations lahat ng participants, UTPC, lahat ng mga offices na tumulong sa amin, and hopefully we'll see you again next year.
And that's it for Pentagak 2026. See you next year, heroes!